ZANU-PF and the Citizen Coalition for Change CCC will share 170 million ZiG this year, allocated by the Treasury, the national budget, to fund political parties meeting the required voter threshold under the Political Parties Finance Act. Sanapena mashoko ataona kuti aiwa vakomana vuche vachishiyana manje mazakwatira tichiona kuti nyika yamuri kuona panguva inoi aiwa maservices ese ari mudire state vakomana vachisiyana mamillions akachinyorwa panapa. Sanapena mashoko mudanyogwa ndobva subscribe like wati on the bell icon timapindula mudanyora chiti the funds will be distributed based on the number of seats each party holds in the National Assembly. As ZANU-PF holds a 2/3 majority, it will receive the largest share of the 170 million ZiG. In the August 2023 general elections, ZANU-PF won 137 geographical constituencies, while CCC secured 73. Consequently, ZANU-PF will receive the bulk of the funds. Speaking to the Herald, ZANU-PF Director of Information and Publicity, Farai Marapira, said that the funds will be used to pay party employees, among other needs. He said, as ZANU-PF, we appreciate these funds as they enable us to rejuvenate and revamp our party. As a party with the structures, these funds assist us in getting feedback from our grassroots as well as communicating leadership positions. We have offices and officers and attendant office bills that need to be paid, and these funds go a long way in ensuring this happiness. Ndomashikana achitaurwa panapa aiwa nevakomana vatauriri vebato. Panapa tiri kuona kuti vachisheya ana mamillions, tinoona kuti nestate irimo munyika panapa vachiti aiwa ndiyo vachashandisa kuita zvo zvanenge vachiita kupeya aiwa mabills and the likes. Panapa tinoona kuti mari iyoyi vanhu vachatozoona aiwa yakutobayirana mapanga, especially aiwa ku the ruling party wese tisingatauri ku Citizen Coalition for Change. Vakomana vakatanga kutorwisana vana Singizwe Chabangu nana Bushman Mnuve, mari iyi isati yatombo allocatewa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu, musanga subscribe or like, send on the bell icon.